and welcome to part 4, where we'll be making the engine mounts and doing some subdivision. So, with the engine mounts, I'm going to hit Shift A and add in a cube, and I'm gonna call this engine mounts. Oh yay! We'll call this engine mounts. Okay, and now we'll hit S to scale this down. Go into the back view, and these engines are kind of far down, so I'm gonna box select these, and I'm gonna hit GZ. Oh, I'm gonna select all of these manually, I guess. GZ, and I'm gonna have to move them up, and now we're a little bit better. So I'm gonna hit G, and I'm gonna hit R, and I'm gonna add in a mirror modifier for the mirror object. Perfect. Then I'm gonna hit S, scale, R, get this to work. Then I'm gonna tab into edit mode, hit S, and then Z, and then hit S, Y, and then hit S, X, and then hit X again, just like this. And now we have this thing. So I'm gonna hit G and Y to move them back right here. And then with this, I'm gonna select this right here, and G, X, X, and move it into position right here. Okay, and I just realized that, what did I just realize? I just realized something, and I'll think of it. Okay, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna hit G, Y, and move it back. Isn't it always conflicting when you know you've thought of something? You just can't think of it. It's always so conflicting. S, Z, Z, and scale it down. You can never quite think of it, and yeah. It's always very conflicting. But I'll think of it eventually. Anyway, just moving all of this like so. Control R, in. And moving this like so. And then this one needs to come forward. Come forward, young one. Okay, I don't even know where that's from. I don't even know if that's from a movie. Wouldn't that be amazing if I just thought of something? Really, it's too bad that I didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this. Like this. And looking good. So I'm gonna hit Control R right here and slide this up. Then I'm gonna select wait a minute. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna select these. And I'm gonna hit S, X, X, or S, Z, Z, and scale them down. Then I'm gonna select this one and this edge right here. This one, and say G, Z, Z, or G, X, X, and move this right here. Beautiful. Okay, now the this one. Or this one, GXX, move it out of the way, And now we're in nice position. That looks like an A-10. Ha ha. So that looks nice. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting in some subdivisions. So this thing, you know, we can subdivide this, you know, add a subdivision surface modifier. If it'll load, which is quite unusual for Blender, by the way. It's very unusual for something to actually load in Blender. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this right here. Good. Very nice. And we can add some subdivision surface to this thing. This one's really gonna, oh, no, it's not. Okay, subdivision surface done. Then I'm gonna subdivide this one too. And we're looking very subdivided. And that is the end of part 4. Stick around for part 5 if you want to continue with the tutorial. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And of course, hit Control S. Bye. Okay, one more thing. You just gotta go right here and kinda Control R, you know? Okay, now we're done.